Alright, in this video I will be setting up a T Mobil 5G home internet service. Okay, so I may have mentioned in one of my other videos that I kind of despise my internet service provider that I have here at this location. And it's the only one I pretty much have for high speed. I don't want to give out their name, but it kind of rhymes with rectum. So anyway, so I'm going to give this a shot. This no contract signed on it. So in theory, if it doesn't work, I can just kick it out of here and keep going with my old internet service provider. So this is what you get when you order the home 5G service, a gateway and Google TV. So I'm assuming this right here is what I need to set up first. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got in here. And it gives a warning here that it's for home use, not commercial use. And right here it shows inside we got the gateway, quick start guide, power adapter. I really should make sure I have my pocket knife on me at all times, even when I'm in the dang house. But I don't have it handy. Okay, got the seal broke. There we go. Open this up. Internet 5G gateway quick start guide. Environmental. I said they need a better stapler. Just safety stuff. Terms and conditions. Cancellation return policy, blah blah blah. Okay, so to start, place the device by a window near a power outlet, ideally on the upper floor. I'm eventually going to put this in the upper floor, but right now I'm on the lower floor, so we'll see how that works for me. Okay. See our network connections back here. I'm assuming one can go into the Wi-Fi. Power? I don't know. Continuing. Okay, so here's the power. Plug that in. Oh, and there's an app for this. There's always an app, right? Always, always, always. So plug the power connection in and throw something on the floor. I don't know what that was. It sounded metal. Metallic. Alright. So, assuming that it just gets plugged into USB-C there. And then I drop more stuff. And I'll plug this in. By the way, I have a battery backup. What is that? APC system down here. Comes in really handy with quick power outages. You can keep this stuff going for a while. So I'm looking through here. That's going to knock out my current internet situation. I don't think I haven't said that to. It goes to my Wi-Fi. And that goes to nothing. So I'll get rid of nothing. It's still not battery backup though. I want this to be on battery backup. That one. I think that goes to my hard drive. I might be able to just sneak that little bad boy in there. I hate all the different size plugs they have for stuff. Alright, well, timeout. I gotta do some finagling here. Okay. T Mobil device is now plugged in. It says it'll power itself on within 5 seconds. Which it doesn't seem to be doing. 5 seconds ain't what it used to be, huh? Okay, and then that. Well, let me just try a different port and storm. Ah, powered. Probably helps to plug it into the correct deal. Alright, so now it's powering up. See the little logo there? So while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and try this App Store thing. See what we got here going on here. Screen record. Start recording. 2, 1. Okay. T Mobil. Okay, I'm going to install the app. Okay, that's about it. Guess the app tells me. T Mobil Internet. This is still powering up. I don't know how good you can see that there. So it's still powering up. Setup device. I have the 5G gateway, power plug, location, skip video, only this time. And here it's telling you to download the T Mobil app as well. Alright, I'm going to enter my address in manually. Okay, they found my signal. Connect it. Found it. Okay, now I need to scan a code on here. Connect power. Okay, it's telling me to wait for it to start up, but it started up. So I'm going to hit skip. Skip anyway. Okay, so it's upgrading firmware. Look, the LCD screen on your gateway is an upgrade in progress. No, it's dead. Okay. Wow. more stuff to not show here. I have no idea what the password is. Oh, it's on the label. Sorry, you can't see that. Okay, connecting. Okay, says I'm connected. Now what? You're now connected to the T Mobil Internet app. Okay, I've entered the password. So I'm actually surprised this is showing us good because I am in the basement. Again, I'm probably going to relocate this upstairs when I'm done. Well, let's do this real quick then. Let's do a speed test, right? Okay. That works for me. It's about what I was getting from the other company. So I'm assuming that I can go ahead and plug in my current Wi-Fi router into here, and then I can use that router, which is already set up for all my devices. So let's give that a shot, see what happens here. So give it a minute for my router to relearn stuff. Let me switch this over, and it's connected. There you go. I am set up. I'm going to do another speed test just for giggles and grins. There we go. Awesome. Well, I am perfectly fine with that. So I guess the next thing is I'll run it for several days before I disconnect the service that sounds like rectum and get this one going just to see how it works out for me. Setup was super easy. I guess you could probably just use this as your Wi-Fi router and not even need a Wi-Fi router that I just bought. So okay, but I'll have two connection points for my internet now though. So anyway, there we go. We got T Mobil set up. And just FYI, I am not currently, well, I was not a T Mobil user. I actually use something that sounds like Horizon. And so I got this deal without all the discounts. And definitely they're not paying me for this one. I am paying, but it's about the same amount that I was paying for the other one. So it's nice to have competition. And let's just run this thing and see how it works out for me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Okay, so a quick update. I did run through the 14-day trial period, and ultimately I ended up sending this back. Mainly due to where I live, I'm kind of in a valley, so I don't have the best reception, and it would drop on me occasionally. So I made a decision to go ahead and send it back and stay with my previous internet service provider. However, sending it back was super easy. They didn't question me at all. They simply sent me a UPS label to send it back with, and went to the UPS store, dropped it in, and sent it back to them. So the experience with them was perfectly fine. I just didn't quite have the signal quality here at my house, and for what it's worth, I barely get a 5G signal at all with my phone provider. So they were actually doing a lot better than them as far as the signal is concerned. For my phone, I may end up switching to T Mobil just for that reason. They have a better signal here, and for a phone, it would be fine. You know, it'd be perfectly fine. But if we're running the house, you know, streaming and all that, I need something a little bit more solid, and it just didn't quite get it done. So again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.